Hey everybody, just wanted to update y'all. I know it's kind of late. It's August 20th. It's probably about 3 o'clock. I left the hospital a while back, but just been running errands for school and stuff like that for Zach. But I talked to the doctor and we were talking about, I talked about a lot, so I had to write some notes down. But we were talking about start chemo tomorrow. She wants to get on this and get through it. So I go in tomorrow. It's gonna be inpatient. I have to go in and actually be admitted into the hospital. The actual chemo takes 24 hours to be put into me. So I'll be in the hospital for about 4 days. So hopefully I'll get to start tomorrow. With Parkland, you never know. You never know how it's gonna be. You never know if it's if there's gonna be a bed for me or anything like that. So one thing she did say is it's gonna be really, really strong. This chemo's gonna they want to hit it hard, hit it fast. She told me that you don't stage the cancer at this point. It's basically a reoccurrence of lymphoma. So we're not really worried about that. She said we're really worried about just attacking it hard. The good side about it is that it's been more than 12 months since I've been in remission. If it was less than 12 months, they'd be worried. But since it's more than 12 months, it's been actually a year and a half. That she's cool with that. That's an upside, if there's any, would be that it's been more than 12 months. But back to the chemo, she's saying that it's gonna be really strong. So when I get out of the hospital for 7 days straight, I'm gonna have to give myself a shot in the stomach, and that shot is supposed to boost my immune system because the chemo is gonna be so strong that it's gonna be attacking my immune system really hard. So what they want to do is they're gonna take some they're gonna do that. We should do that for 2 rounds, and which means 2 rounds. It's like 3 weeks around. So which means hopefully if it'd be at least 6 weeks. So hopefully we can only have to do 6 weeks, and we'll be done after that. After that, we'll do a stem cell transplant, a bone marrow transplant. They'll take the good cells and they'll freeze them, and later on they'll use them on me. For that, I'm gonna have to go to MD Anderson. We'd have to do that. So I'll be in Houston for 3 weeks after that, which would be the process for the stem cell transplant. So right now, what I have to do is just have to apply to get into MD Anderson. I have to give them all kinds of information. We have to figure this out. Just like I applied to get the Department of Healthcare, I got to apply to get the MD Anderson. And if that happens, then if the chemo is working, we'll be done in 6 weeks, hopefully. And then we'll do the stem cell transplant. So I think the biggest thing would be just hope my immune system, I don't get sick while my immune system is low. And like I said, I start tomorrow, so I mean we're jumping on this pretty fast. Tomorrow will be the day. It'll be the day I go in, start this chemo, work it out, and then I do the stem cell transplant, and hopefully I'll be done for the rest of my life. That's what we're looking at. So it's kind of fast pace. It kind of took me by surprise. She told me a lot of stuff, and I apologize. I should have recorded her talking. She said this a lot better than I have. But it's gonna be rough. It's gonna be rough for physically. It's gonna be rough emotionally. It's gonna be rough mentally. It's gonna be rough for my family, for my wife, for my kids. So if you can, just keep them in your prayer. Keep me in your prayers. Just pray that we have the strength to get through this again. Pray that we'll come out even stronger. So I just want to thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. All right.